Hello, CNG 202-500. Welcome to the ending of week number 2. Um, so this week we should be wrapping up Lab 1, which is due the 31st, Monday, um, and the installation uh, discussion board. So let's see if we go. Um, So check out the TeamSpace. Make sure you're joining the TeamSpace chat. That's where I have the book residing at this time. And once again, it's just for me, it's just a WebEx kind of chat room. And it should be the same for you guys. In the very top of the course is where I link the book. It's a PDF document. The book that matches the course is an older book. So if we get the newer book, which the course was not built for, there's going to be a lot of mismatch. We're going to have to piece more stuff together. But if we just stay with the Red Hat 7 edition book, it will transfer over exactly to what we are doing. Good news. Let's see. I'm set to demobilize from the disaster Monday. So I should be home for about a week. Just on reconstitution days, getting used to not working 12-hour shifts, and then I should be put in the rotation again for next week, just kind of working in the bunker regularly. Once again, the days I am in the bunker, I have no outside access communications, so usually getting a hold of me is early morning or late at night when I do get home from those shifts. But outside of that, when I'm not there, I'm working at home. In front of my own computer and able to answer you guys on the fly most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. Let's see. So in week 1, our first lab is just installing Red Hat on a virtual platform. And I was looking at, let's see, this week's lab and I think week 3's lab, and it didn't look like it was. If you had a bad experience with Red Hat and want to try another Linux, it should work. The benefit of taking the Linux course is it does set you up for one of the Linux certifications, and that's why these were built like around Red Hat to offer you guys some more of those entry-level certifications. So when you do start to go out and look for jobs after school, you are more marketable in that way. If you want to, once again, take a look at Kali, take a look at Fedora, take a look at what else is there? Long-term support Ubuntu. That is perfectly fine. If you go for a GUI-less adaptation, that should be fine too. So many different ways to take a look at this course through that one. So let's see, in David's lab 1, yeah, we're just setting up the machine. And then if we go back to so in lab 2 we're just using grep and vim. Once again, won't take too much look at that because it's lab, that's for next week. But so far I see, if you don't like Red Hat, I mean you're having a bad experience with it and just want to try something new, once again, I'll work with you through the semester, and we'll try to tackle another version of Linux Unix. I do have experience over many different ones, but once again, heaviest experiences in Kali Linux. And I think that's it. If you have, I'm looking at my people invited, and once again, I'm still missing some people logging in. Saul, Neil, Zach, Caroline I just invited, and Brooke. If you guys make sure you follow the link on the first page to join WebEx TeamSpace, so we can get collaboration. Once again, if you guys should 100% work together, even if it's in like a remote environment, best way to pass a course is by working together, because I can definitely try to guide you through the course, but then try to get all those different angles to help you get that aha moment while learning Linux. That can come from many different directions. Let's see, instructor, student would be top down, peer-to-peer would be horizontal, and then you mentoring somebody in Linux would be bottom up type learning style. So many different learning styles there to help you do this. So keep on working on those. If you're having any issues, once again, reach out in that WebEx. I'll be working tomorrow. I have off Sunday, and then I'll be on shift Monday also. But since I'm off Sunday, guess what? I'll probably be in front of my computer at some point. So if you do have any questions, I will be able to answer them at that time. And I believe that covers everything that I saw so far, with the drawing to a close for the first week. If you have any questions about the schedule, click the syllabus in the Getting Started area and scroll all the way to the bottom. You can see exactly what we're doing in the weeks to come to prepare you for that. And if there's any questions, reach out. Once again, never hesitate to reach out in the WebEx. If you have a question, I'll get to it. Another peer will be able to answer it. It's really a good environment to help you guys grow and learn any course we're doing, really. And with that, you guys have a good Friday night, and I'll talk to you again on Monday.